Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a small subtle styling mod on the car. I'm installing Plexiclicks to the car, which gives the license plate a clean and frameless look. And I'll start at the rear of the car, where the current license plate holder needs to be removed. And for this installation, all I'll be using is a drill with a Torx bit. Now I'll remove the two screws holding the plate and take it off. Here's the Plexiclicks again, and this is what they look like out of the packaging. It does also come with screws included, but in my case they're too small for the holes on the car, so I'll reuse the original screws instead. Now I'll install the first bracket. Plexiclick has a smaller hole for the included screws and a larger one. That's the one I will be using since I am reusing the original screw. Now I'll install the second one on the other side. Now both of the brackets are installed, and this is how it looks like. Before putting the plate back on, I'll quickly clean the surface behind the plate. Now I'll just click the plate into its place. It clicks into the brackets on the top and bottom on both sides and sits firmly right away. Next, I'll move to the front and repeat the process. First, I'll remove the first screw, and now I'll remove the second one. Here's the Plexiclick brackets again. I'll feed the screw through it before installing. And now I'll install the first front bracket. Now I'll prepare the second one, and I'll install it the same way. Now I'll check by hand to make sure everything is secure, and I'll click the front plate into its place. Here's how it looked before, and here's how it looks after installing Plexiclick. Same thing in the rear. This is before, and this is after. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that setups like this may not be legal everywhere. Where I live, the only requirement is that the plate is straight and fully visible, which it is here. But of course, always check your local laws. After the installation, I did notice a small issue afterwards. The front plate started to vibrate slightly from the engine. And to fix this issue, I spaced the mounts a bit further apart so the edges of the plate gets more support, and now it sits solid again. And as always, if you have any questions, then please put them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe. Thanks.